What's good, guys? Jassal Farm here. Today for you guys got my seed unboxing, and this is what I ordered. I ordered my seeds from WestCoast Seeds. It says WestCoast Seeds right there from WestCoast Seeds. They're located in BC, British Columbia, and I ordered my seeds from them because they have a lot of organic, certified organic 100% seeds, and I support the Canadian economy from ordering from them. I ordered a couple other things from them too, like garlic netting and stuff, so let me show you guys what I ordered. Let's open this up. Box over this way. So open this up, guys. There's a little wax paper type thing on the top. And right away, guys, there's a thank you. There's a basil blend right here from WestCoast Seeds. Thank you for ordering. And that's our seed. I'll show you guys a separate video on all the seeds after. These are my packs of seeds I ordered right here, sealed in a Ziploc bag so they don't germinate. I'll just go over a few varieties real quickly, guys, to show you. It looks like I ordered a lot, doesn't it, right?
Oh yeah, they packed the box nicely.
So let me just go over a few varieties real quickly to show you guys. Oh, it's so hard to. I'm going to end up dropping them. So let me just go over a few varieties real quickly. So here's a few varieties, guys. I got some arugula, and these are like inside this pack right here, I think they're almost 14,000 seeds approximately. So 2 packs of those. I got some okra, comes in spineless, peppers, ghost chili peppers. I've got over like I believe 9 different types of peppers. I've got sunflower seeds. That's all certified organic, guys. If you guys can see that right there, certified organic. Certified organic, sunflowers, and so much other things, guys. So those are my seeds that I got. I ordered, I believe, over 20 different varieties of stuff to grow. We also ordered a dial seed sower, guys. I'll be making an unboxing and review of this. Show you guys how this works after. If you guys are wondering what this is, I was so excited looking for this, guys. I've been waiting to find this on eBay. There's prices, there's Amazon, but the best price for this, guys, I found through them. I got this for around, I think, 10 bucks. For I think 60 feet, I think, of garlic netting. So this makes my life easier to sell garlic, guys, and makes it look so much more cleaner for the farmer's market. So this is definitely something you guys would need. I also got right here, this is my 10-pound nylon bags, because last year I never had any bags to really store my potatoes and like really sell them and stuff. I was going crazy trying to manage 10-pound bags and grocery bags, and they started ripping. That's just what I was telling you right there, the 10-pound red mesh bags for onions as well. Same what I was talking about, onions or potatoes, whichever you want to use them for. Oh my god. Oh my guys. This is why I ordered. Bloody Butcher certified organic, guys. Certified organic Bloody Butcher corn, guys. These are untreated, non-genetically engineered organisms, like non-GMO anything. They're from WestCoast Seeds. Approximately $700. This thing costed me a good chunk of change, guys. This was not cheap. If you guys know, Bloody Butcher corn is not cheap. So I got approximately 700 seeds in here, and it's all organic. And this year I tend to really grow a good amount of Bloody Butcher corn, guys. I'll be making a further video of that, show you guys how the seeds and all look. And here, and the main thing that took up most of the box are my burlap sacks, guys. I ordered some burlap sacks so I can store my potatoes better. Because last year I planted not that many potatoes, but I ended up getting close to 1,200, 1,400 potatoes. I had nowhere to store them, so I ended up getting some burlap sacks, and the price was right, and the size was right, so that's why I ended up getting these. So these are huge burlap sacks, and I can use that. So overall, let me just quickly place all stuff. I've got a lot of things from them, as you guys can see. I would definitely recommend checking out WestCoast Seeds, and thank you for watching, guys. Take care, and subscribe.